Welcome to Health Exploration. In this video, we will talk about how to lose weight fast. Many experts say it's best to lose weight gradually. It's more likely to stay off. If you shed pounds too fast, you'll lose muscle, bone, and water instead of fat, says the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. The Academy's advice: aim to lose 1–2 pounds per week and avoid fad diets or products that make promises that sound too good to be true. It's best to base your weight loss on changes you can stick with over time. Don't forget to subscribe Health Exploration and press the bell icon for more videos. For faster results, you'll need to work with a doctor to make sure that you stay healthy and get the nutrients that you need. Make a plan. You've probably heard the saying, calories in, calories out is in. You just need to burn more calories than you eat and drink. But it's not that simple, as many people can tell you from their own experience. Nutrition and exercise are both important when trying to lose weight. All the exercise in the world won't help you shed pounds if your nutrition is out of whack. But research shows exercise has major benefits for your body and mind, whether you're trying to lose weight or not. Your metabolism, how well your body turns calories into fuel, matters. And if you cut too many calories, it's bad for you. You slow down your metabolism, and that can make you fall short on some nutrients. There are many ways you can do this without cutting calories too much. You could cut back on portions. Figure out how many calories you get in a usual day and trim back a bit. Read food labels to know how many calories are in each serving. Drink more water so you're not so hungry. Whatever method you use, you'll need to favor good-for-you foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean protein so you keep up good nutrition. But there's no one-size-fits-all plan for healthy eating. Working with a dietitian is a good idea, so you make a plan that covers your specific needs. And when you make a healthy weight loss plan, it's important to stick with it. To get healthy and stay that way, the trend has to continue, not just for a week or a month, but for the long term. Get accountability and support. Many apps can help you track your eating. Since you probably have your smartphone with you all the time, you can use it to keep up with your plan. Or keep a pen and paper food journal of what you ate and when. You'll also want to have people on your side to help you stay motivated and to cheer you on. So ask your family and friends to support your efforts to lose weight. You might also want to join a weight loss group where you can talk about how it's going with people who can relate. Or talk with someone you know who's lost weight in a healthy way. Their encouragement is contagious in a good way. Find out what drives you to eat. At the most basic level, food is fuel. It gives you energy to do things, but very few people eat just for that reason. It's at every social gathering, and it's where a lot of us turn when we have a rough day. You'll need to know what makes you want to eat when you're not hungry, and have a plan for those moments. Next, try to notice when those feelings come up, and have a plan ready to do something else instead of eating. Could you take a walk? Text a friend? Lastly, reward yourself for making a different choice. Just don't use food as the reward. Reset what and when you eat. You don't have to go vegan, gluten-free, or quit any particular food group to lose weight. In fact, you're more likely to keep the pounds off for good if it's something you can live with for the long term. But it does make sense to cut way down on, or totally cut out, empty calories. Limit foods with added sugars. These are the sugars in cookies, cakes, sugar-sweetened drinks, and other items. Not the sugars that are naturally in fruits, for instance. Sugary foods often have a lot of calories but few nutrients. Aim to spend less than 10% of your daily calories on added sugars. Be choosy about carbs. You can decide which ones you eat and how much. Look for those that are low on the glycemic index. For instance, asparagus is lower on the glycemic index than a potato, or lower in carbs per serving than others. Whole grains are better choices than processed items because processing removes key nutrients such as fiber, iron, and B vitamins. They may be added back, such as in enriched bread. Include protein. It's satisfying and will help keep up your muscles. There are vegetarian and vegan sources, nuts, beans, and soy are a few, as well as lean meat, poultry, fish, and dairy. Most Americans get enough protein, but could choose to get it from leaner sources, so you may already have plenty in your diet. Your exact protein needs depend on your age, gender, and how active you are. Make friends with good fats. Small amounts of fat can help you feel full and less like you're on a diet. The better choices are those in fish, nuts and seeds, and olive oil. Those have unsaturated fats, polyunsaturated or monounsaturated fats specifically. Fill up on fiber. You can get that from vegetables, whole grains, fruits. Any plant food will have fiber. Some have more than others. Top sources include artichokes, green peas, broccoli, lentils, and lima beans. Among fruits, raspberries lead the list. Eat more often. If you eat 5-6 times a day, it could keep hunger at bay. You could split your calories equally across all of those mini meals, or make some bigger than others. You will need to plan portions so that you don't end up eating more than you bargained for. Meal replacements. These products will control your calories. They're convenient and take the guesswork out of dieting. Again though, you'll need to change your eating habits to keep the weight off if you stop eating meal replacements. Watch your drinks. One easy way to lose weight quickly is to cut out liquid calories, such as soda, juice, and alcohol. Replace them with zero-calorie drinks like lemon water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee. Diet drinks will save you calories compared with sugary beverages. But if you then reach for a cookie or other treat because you're still hungry, or you think you saved enough calories for it, that plan backfires. Manage your hunger. Whatever diet you choose, and many different diets can help you lose weight, don't give up because you get too hungry. Hunger is a normal response to reducing calories. When you eat less, your fat cells release more hunger hormones, which increases your appetite, says HealthExploration. Higher protein, high fiber meal plans are best for controlling your hunger and appetite. Replace processed carbs like white bread, bagels, muffins, or donuts for breakfast with high protein/high fiber foods like eggs or Greek yogurt mixed with chia seeds and berries. You'll find that you stay fuller longer. Spend your calories wisely. All calories are not created equal. If your diet consists mainly of sugar, saturated trans fats, and salt, all of which can be very addictive, you can develop consistent cravings for dense, high-calorie foods with little nutritional value, says HealthExploration. This leads to excess calories and weight gain or inability to lose weight. Eat foods that are high in lean protein and healthy fats and fiber, and you'll feel satisfied throughout the day and will rarely get cravings. This will help you maintain a lower calorie level, which will lead to weight loss. Don't eat a carbohydrate unless it has fiber attached to it. This reduces sugars and white flour, pastries, white bread, candy, juice, etc. in your diet and helps you to choose carbs that better support your appetite and nutrition needs, says HealthExploration. The more fiber in your diet, the better. Fiber helps improve blood sugar control, helps lower cholesterol, and reduces your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, colorectal cancer, and heart disease. When you have diabetes, a diet with fewer carbs, like bread, pasta, rice, desserts, sugary beverages, juice, is also important because you'll need less insulin, and that can help prevent hunger, fat storage, and weight gain. Foods rich in fiber include legumes, dried beans, lentils, veggies, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, spinach squash, and sweet potatoes, and fruit, apples, berries, oranges, pears. Should you fast? You might think that fasting is a quick way to drop pounds, but it's better to have an eating plan that you can stick to over time and fits into your lifestyle. More research is needed to know if fasting is safe long-term. Most studies of the effects of intermittent fasting have been done on overweight middle-aged adults. More research is needed to determine if it is safe for people who are older or younger, or people at a healthy weight. Remember that if you do fast, you'll still need to change your eating habits once your fast ends. No matter how you kickstart your weight loss, the best way to keep it off is with long-lasting lifestyle changes, like a healthy eating plan and physical activity. If you're not sure where to start, how many calories to cut, or how to do it safely, you might want to consult a registered dietitian. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe HealthExploration for more insightful content. And share your own weight loss journey